Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to lesson number 3 of Urdu, idioms and proverbs. Let's start. In Urdu, we say Teer kamaan se nikalna. Teer is an arrow, kamaan is a bow. Se means from, nikalna means shot. It has been shoot. So तीर कमान से निकलना literally means the arrow has been shot from the bow. We use this idiom to indicate that now the thing has been done and time has been passed. The thing has already happened and now the time cannot be returned, and then we have to face the consequences. For example, I have said something to you and then I realized that I have said a wrong thing. But now तीर कमान से निकल चुका है. The arrow has been shot from the bow. So if we want to understand the meaning, then its meaning is the thing has been said or done and it can't be taken back. The next idiom is तीर ना कमान मियाँ काहे का pathaan. Teer is arrow, na no, not. Kamaan is bow, miya Mr, kahe where, ka pathaan, ka from, and pathaan is the Khan or Pathaan. So if we translate it, then it means you don't have an arrow or a bow. So which Pathaan are you? So this idiom is an old idiom, and it can mean that in the past the Pashtuns or the Pathans, they used to have a bow and arrow with them. It means that they were the fighting tribes, and usually we could see them with bows and arrows and swords. And if you saw a Pathaan without a bow and an arrow, then you could get surprised. So here we say तीर ना कमान मियाँ काहे का pathaan. So we use this idiom in situations where someone is claiming that he is he is from an international company, and you ask for the identification, but he can't produce any identification or give you a reasonable answer. Then in that situation we can say you don't have an arrow or a bow, so what kind of a Pathaan are you? So what kind of a salesman are you? So we use this situation this idiom in situations where someone is claiming that he is from ABC company and he cannot produce anything, and uh, you ask for identification, he can't give it to you. So you can say Teer na kamaan mian kahay pathaan. So you can say don't have any tools, so what good are you? You have called a carpenter, he comes and he doesn't have any tool, and you say you don't have any tools, so what good are you? Teer na kamaan mian kahay pathaan. The next idiom is Thaka oont seraiy taakay. Thaka means tired. Oont is camel. Camel, and seraiy is inn. It's a hotel, inn. Two words. Taakay, sea. So if we translate it in English, then it means a tired camel sees towards the inn. It means that he is so tired that he is seeing towards the inn so he can get some rest. Let's suppose that a mutual friend, has come to our house, and I ask you, where is he? You can say that he is there. Thaka oont seraiy taakay. It means that he is there and he is too tired and he is seeing towards the room, towards the bed to get some rest. So Thaka oont seraiy taakay means a tired camel sees towards the inn. And in another situation, if I have worked very hard, I have worked for 12 hours, and then you say, now what's your plan? And I say, Thaka oont seraiy taakay. It means that now I am very tired and I am looking forward to take some rest. So it means you need to take rest after hard work. Thaka oont seraiy taakay. Another idiom is Thootha chana bhaji-dhana. It means that a person just talks and he doesn't act. Let's take a situation. Let's suppose our friend tells us to do something and he says that I am this, I have done this, I am the genius, I am so on and so forth. And then in that situations we can say Thootha chana bhaji-dhana, means he is just talking and he doesn't act. He just talks and talks and talks and there is no action. Just talk and no action. In that situation we say Thootha chana bhaji-dhana. An other interesting idiom is उल्टा चोर कोतवाल को डांटे. Ulta means opposite. Chor is a thief. Kotwaal is a judge. Dante means to scold. It means instead a judge scolds a thief, the thief is scolding the judge. So if we translate it, then it means the thief is scolding a judge. Let's suppose our friend, that mutual friend, has done something wrong. He has done something wrong and we ask him why has he done it. So instead of admitting it that he has done something wrong, he becomes very angry and he talks against us. So in that situation we say Ulta chor kotwaal ko dante. So if a culprit is putting the blame on others, then we say Ulta chor kotwaal ko dante. Culprit putting blame on others who are asking why have you done it, and he puts the blame on you. Another idiom is Ulte baans Berayli ko. So Berayli is a place, and Berayli was famous for its baans, which is a bamboo tree, bamboos. So here Ulte means towards, Ulte opposite, baans, bamboos, Berayli ko towards Berayli. So Berayli was famous for bamboos and it exported bamboos to the other parts of the country. So instead, if we are sending the bamboos towards Berayli, then we are doing something wrong. If we translate it literally, then it means send the bamboos towards Berayli. Sending bamboos towards Berayli. So if you are making some kind of a mistake, or if you are trying to tell something to your teacher, then he can say Ulte baans Berayli ko, means that I have taught you all the things and now you are telling me my things, you are telling me what is right and what is wrong. So in that situation we can say Ulte baans Berayli ko. Or if we make some kind of a mistake, then we can say यार ये तो उल्टे बांस बरेली को चले गए. Another interesting idiom is अंधा क्या चाहे दो आंखें. So the first part is a question, अंधा क्या चाहे, and the second part is the answer. Undha is blind. Kya, what? Chahe wants. What does a blind person want? The answer is do aankhein, two eyes. So if we try to translate it, then we can say what does a blind person want. two eyes. So let's suppose that it is very hot and I come from outside and you ask me, do you want a cold water? Do you want a cold glass of water or a glass of cold water? Then in that situation, I can say, sure, अंधा क्या चाहे, दो आंखें. Sure, what does a blind man want? Two eyes. Yeah, sure, I would like to have a glass of water, a glass of cold water. So, in that situation, we can say, अंधा क्या चाहे, दो आंखें. It means that if your wish comes true, it was my wish that I want water and you offer me a water, then I can say अंधा क्या चाहे दो आंखें. Or if I'm offered a job and you ask me, do you find it good that you have found a job? And I will say that अंधा क्या चाहे दो आंखें. What does a blind person want? Two eyes. Yes, sure, I loved it because my wish has come true. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for joining me. If you have any questions or comments, then please use the comment section below. Please like this video tutorial and share it with your friends and family members. If you are new to my channel, then please hit the subscribe button. I will see you next time. Until then, take care, keep learning, keep enjoying. Good day.
Like, share, subscribe. Ifactner.